is a mixture of dust, smoke particles, and other acidic chemicals such as sulfur and nitrogen oxides that mix with water in the atmosphere and fall to the ground in the form of rain, snow, or fog. Sulfur and nitrogen, the main components of acid rain, come from man-made sources such as factories, cars, and burning of fossil fuels. So, how are you as farmers affected? Acid rain is a huge contributor in erosion of crops. Acid can enter the soil and upset the supply of nutrients, which can turn trees and crops brown. It can make the soil very acidic. So, when the crops take in water from the soil, they also take in that mixed in acid. If crops fail, a farmer's income is harmed, and in turn the next bounty of crops is harmed. Therefore, the result will be a threatened ecosystem and a deficiency in crops such as corn, cotton, and potatoes. Acid rain also erodes rocks and statues. This is really bad for many farms on hills with rivers or ponds at the foot. When rocks erode, there will be a higher chance of rundowns when it rains. When the rain will mix with the soil, it will have an adverse effect. The acidic soil that will run downhill will eventually end up in a body of water at the foot of the hill. The acid will mix with the water and poison it. All life, such as algae, fish, and many other organisms living in the water will eventually be killed off, and a main source of food for farmers will be killed off. Together, with a major food source being depleted, the water that is used to water the crops may also be coming from the body of water. So, that will also kill the crops off. As a conclusion, if no precautions are taken, acid rain will eventually kill off all crops and disrupt many lifestyles. Something farmers can do is to use more organic fertilizer and less pesticides, which will mix with the water and evaporate into the air, and condense with water in the air already to form rain.